Hey there. So let's get straight into it. So, so now let's focus on words. So the way the computer treats numbers is different to the way it treats words. So let's look at this example. All right. So here it is. First, the computer notices the equal sign. It then looks to the right of the equal sign and it sees one word. It sees welcome dot 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 dot. It takes welcome and it puts it into the variable named message1. Pop. Second, the same thing happens but for message2. After the second instruction, we have two variables, message1 with the word welcome in it, and message2 with the words to the pain train in it. Finally, in the third instruction, the computer sees the equal sign, so looks to the right of it and sees a plus sign. The computer sees that we want to add one word to another, and so it puts them together. So in the end, we have a variable called message3 with the words welcome to the pain train inside it. So why don't we do it? I'll draw it. I'll draw it so that you can visualize it. Okay. So you press run on the program, and then the computer doesn't know anything at that point. It looks at the first instruction. It sees an equal sign. It knows we're trying to put something inside a variable we've called message1. And and then it looks to the right of the equal sign and it sees we want to put the word welcome inside it. So then it puts inside the variable message1, it puts the word welcome in it. Second instruction. It sees the equal sign and knows we're trying to put something inside a variable called message_2. And it looks to the right of the equal sign and it sees the apostrophes. So it knows we want to put words inside the variable message2. So then it puts the words inside message2. To the pain train. So at this point, after the first and second instruction have been followed by the computer, we have one variable message_1 with the word welcome inside it, and we got a second variable called message_2 with the words to the pain train inside it. Then we look at the third instruction. The computer sees the equal sign and knows that we want to put something inside a variable called message_3, and it looks to the right. Now it sees the plus sign. It's like, okay, so what are we adding together? It looks inside message1 and it finds welcome. It looks inside message2 and it finds to the pain train. So it sees two words and it wants to put them it sees a plus sign. So it knows we want to combine them together. So then inside message3, it puts welcome to the pain train. Just like that. So when you add two words together, it just sticks them together. So message1 has welcome inside it, so this has welcome. And then inside message2, we have to the pain train. And then when you're adding two words together, it just puts them together. Welcome to the pain train. Yeah. And then it puts it inside the variable message3. And then of course afterwards, the computer forgets everything. Yeah. All of this is gone. You know. Okay, so hopefully that helps. In the end, we have three variables, each with four words inside them. Message 1 has the word welcome inside it, message 2 has the words to the pain train inside it, and finally message 3 has the words welcome to the pain train inside it. Of course, after the third instruction is finished, the program stops and the computer forgets all of this, but yeah. So reminder, after the program is finished with the last instruction, it forgets everything. So it only remembers these three variables up until the end of the program. After the program stops running, it doesn't remember the three variables. Yep, basically what I was just saying before. An important thing to know. So print is a function that displays whatever you put inside it. The computer will only make something appear in the black box if you use this function. If you don't print anything, the computer will follow your instructions, but nothing will appear in the black box. So here's an example. The computer puts the word welcome in the variable message 1. The computer puts the words to the pain train in message 2. The computer puts the words welcome to the pain train into message 3. But you don't see any of this happen. At the end of this program, nothing appears in the black box because the instructions never tell the computer to display anything in the black box. Um, so like when we run that code, the program, when we run it, oh sorry, yeah, there's problems with the speech marks. Don't worry too much about that, but they're just the wrong apostrophes. But you don't have to worry about that. So if we run it, there should be nothing that appears. Okay. If we run it, there's nothing that appears in this after you run these instructions. Same thing for this. Um, nothing should appear. Yep, nothing appeared. It's the same for all of the ones we've done so far. All the instructions we've done so far, except for one, and that's the hello world one we actually did together. Because we tell the computer to print the words, to display the words hello world in that one. We never tell the computer to display anything in this one. We don't use the print function here. We don't use the print function here, so it doesn't display anything. We don't use the print function here, so it doesn't display anything. If we wanted to, we could. So, for example, if we took this, sorry, it's freaking out again. Let's just wait for it. If we wanted to, okay, so let's just fix it up. The right apostrophes here. Yeah, when it comes to, I don't know why it doesn't accept the other apostrophes, but yeah. Anyway, so when we run it, nothing happens, right? Because we don't use the print function. We aren't telling the computer to display anything in the black box, but we can if we want to. So if we print message 3, that means we want to display whatever words are inside message 3, right? And we know that what is inside message 3 is welcome to the pain train, right? So when we press run, welcome to the pain train should appear here. There you go. Right? So let's run through what actually happens here. Um, oh, that's too small. Okay, that's the next screen. Where is it? Snipping tool. Okay, so what is happening here? So we know what the top three do, but I'm just going to do it because to make it extremely clear. Message 1 the word welcome is the computer sees the equal sign. It knows we want to put something inside the variable message one. It looks to the right. It sees the word welcome. It puts the word welcome inside message one. In the second instruction, it sees the equal sign. It knows we want to put something inside message two. It looks to the right. It sees the words to the pain train. It puts the words to the pain train inside the variable message two. All right. In the third instruction, we see the equal sign. It knows we're trying to put something inside message three. It looks to the right. It sees a plus sign. It looks inside message one. It sees the word welcome. It looks inside message two. It sees the words to the pain train. It adds them together, which gives you welcome to the pain train. So now we go to print. So what happens in print is the computer sees the word print. It knows and it sees the brackets. It sees the word print, sees the brackets, and knows we're trying to display something on the black box. It knows we're trying to display something in the black box. So then it looks inside the brackets to figure out what it needs to put inside the black box, display inside the black box, and it sees message three. So it looks inside message three and it sees the words welcome to the pain train, and it displays those words on the black box. So that is what is happening here. And then remember, after the final instruction is finished, the computer forgets all of this, doesn't remember anything afterwards. All right? Cool. Um, okay. So yeah. So after you run this program, you get welcome to the pain train. Okay. I think that's enough for this lesson.